This year, in Buzz's 25th season, First Infinite Recharge 2020, we set our goal as a team to be more technologically advanced and organized by using new methods of progressing through the season. Along with using new ideas to stay more efficient, we wanted to increase our machining skills to make our build season go a lot faster. Shown here is a time lapse of our CNC machine cutting our T-Gussets for our drivetrain. This cuts down machining time by days to hours and allows us to spend more time on design instead of trying to build a robot and design at the same time.